mo kung iwan. Essentially, it is a love story, but in our love story, there's no antagonists here. The circumstances really are the antagonists. Kasi may mga timely na themes na part ng film, like human trafficking. There's the whole Pogo situation that is nangyayari na.
May ganun pala.
Talagang ganung aspect. Kaya nga when I was reading the story, sana din people can kind of take it out of their minds. Kasi the beauty of what made me fall in love with the script when I was reading it na hindi ko nabitawan siya. As you're reading it and it seems like a very typical rom-com. Tapos bigla, oh, what is this? Saan to pupunta? And yet, ang ganda ng mga resolution of each element. Oh, it kept me engaged the whole time when I was reading it. Ang ganun din when we were finally doing the film nung sinushoot na namin. Kaya sana ma-experience din ng audience kung ano yung na-experience namin ng management team ko when we were reading the script, how we were pulled into the story. Kasi this was a concept by Direk Joel Lamangan pala.
So, this is my dream na mag-produce ng pelikula para makatulong din tayo sa movie film industry sa ating bayan. When I was young, it's my dream talaga, passion ko na gusto ko makapag-produce kasi gusto ko yung mga movie talaga. So, gusto ko ma-explore aside from my profession. So, I have to explore myself kasi bata pa ako, pinangarap ko talaga na maging producer. Yes, of course, kasi itong pelikula na to is meron tayong social relevant issues about sa nangyayari sa ating bansa, like human trafficking, then yung alam mo yung literal na mahirap, tapos na fake siya, ni-recruit, so that is under human trafficking. So aside from that, meron din drug trade, which is relatable naman sa ating bansa ngayon. Diba? Sa ngayon, ang issue natin about drugs. So, human trafficking, that is, my advocacy kasi is to share my blessings sa mga tao na kailangan mapagbigyan natin yung mga walang trabaho. Alam naman natin ang showbiz industry ngayon, yung movie, film industry is parang mahina. So, dapat tulungan natin.